Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. This time it's from a company called Bagotte. I don't know if I pronounced that correct, but I checked them out. They do robot vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, and some other stuff. They practically deal with loads of motorized devices, and this particular handheld vacuum cleaner, they claim it can do 16 kPa at that's the suction power at the lowest speed, and 20 kPa at the highest power. And we'll see if those claims are true or not, because I tested quite a few vacuum cleaners and I kind of know what to look for. 2500 milliamp lithium ion battery, provides 15 minutes on the highest speed and 35 minutes on the lowest speed on continuous running. Fast charging, it will fully charge the battery in 4.5 hours. Ultra lightweight, it only weighs 1.76 pounds, that's about 600 something grams, so it's quite light for the size of it. Of course, people are going to use this for kitchen, for quick cleaning, for car, and for this purpose, this size, it's quite convenient because you can take it, use it, put it back on charge. I think it comes with a dock as well, but we'll have to see that. So on the top right here, super suction system, 12 kPa and 20 kPa mode, so it's 12 not 16, that's my bad, but I think in the description they said 16, so I don't know what the confusion is there. 15-35 minutes continuous running times. Brushless motor, you can find them on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, Bagotte official. The most advanced brushless motor provides powerful suction from standard 12 kPa to 20 kPa. This is their newer model. It's about 199 pounds, but sometimes you can find it on discount. I'm gonna put the link into the description below at the end of the video, and you guys are welcome to check it out. There are sometimes you can get it half price off, so 50% discount. I'll put that link in the description, so you can buy it right now if you want with 50% discount. You pay 100 instead of 200. So we get a charging dock, crevice brush, sofa brush, and a washable filter. And on the back there's nothing. It comes with a plastic seal, so you know it's brand new. It's got a digital display right here, which I think shows you either the mode or the percentage of the battery. Their older model has no digital screen, like LED screen like this one, and it only has buttons. This one is the newest model. To open it, you have to click this top button. You will slide like this and you can empty the contents. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Here it says it's manufactured in China, in Shenzhen. It's imported in the UK by Shellbot Technology Ltd. And the model name, the exact model name, it's BHV20. Okay, that's enough with the box and the looks of it. Let's open this up and see what we actually get inside. As soon as you open it, you have a quite nice presentation, so you can use it in the living room. These are some usage scenarios: kitchen, car and office. As you can see, it's quite small and it's got a strong suction. We open this up, we got a blue cardboard banner. This I think just to protect the contents inside. I think this is a quick start guide, how to charge it, how to use it, how to empty the contents, so on. Let's take out the vacuum itself. Oh, it's got a knot. Let's see if I can undo it with only one hand. There you go. Okay, this is how it looks. Bagotte, it's got the screen right here. Let's see if it's charged. Okay, so 12% battery comes, it will never come full straight from the factory, but because I think some safety and regulations issues, but it's definitely quieter and you can feel it's more powerful than the other ones I had. To empty dust container, just press the button. So, you press the button like this and it pops out and you can just empty it in a dustbin. But I think the best way to do it is just put it like this on top of the dustbin and empty it, so everything will go in there. It's got a HEPA filter inside and a charcoal filter, I think. You can also slide this, actually unscrew it like this and take out the whole thing to wash the filter and so on. It's quite light, so their claims it's accurate. It's very light, but it feels good quality. It's not some cheap plastic. It actually feels really good quality. I've seen this kind of quality on Samsung devices, so that's quite good to see. Hence the price point 200. So obviously they had to make it worth it for 200. We get the UK plug. It depends where you are. You can get it with the American or European plug. I think this is the dock. Let's see if I can take it out again with one hand. The dock right here. Hold on. And I think you will have to okay, so that's how you put it on charge, I think, like this, and it will charge by itself. You can take the cable out to its socket on the back. It's got the cable socket, so you run the cable, you'll run it like this, so it won't stay, it will just stay stable. Let's see what else. Let's get rid of this bag and let's see what else we get inside the box. Not sure what this is. Place the vacuum cleaner on the base to charge it. Oh, I think it goes right here, so you have to screw it down and you'll be like a stand and it will stay straight forward without any other support. You only screw this in. You can see you got two included screws right here, which you take out and you put through these holes and you do this and it will stay like this. Okay, that's fine. I think this is the crevice tool. Again, it's not cheap quality plastic. It feels solid and good. It's not bendy. It's quite sturdy and solid. Here we have, I think, a spare filter, HEPA filter. I'm not gonna take that out. And we got the sofa tool. So it's got yeah, it's a sofa tool, but I think it should have something on the side, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's somewhere and I cannot see it right now. I'll have to check in the box and I'll have to let you know. But yeah, this basically, it's the sofa tool. Let's see if that's how it looks. Sofa brush. So it should be a brush. And this one is empty. Maybe they forgot to put it in, or maybe it's somewhere else. We'll see. So how do you attach it? Basically, I think you go like this. Yeah, I barely managed to do it with one hand. So yeah, this is the sofa tool. And oh yeah, it's very powerful. Even on the lowest speed is very powerful. So their claims with 12 and 20 kPa are accurate. Let's see if I can lift the GT Omega floor mat. on the first speed, that's 12 kPa speed. Yeah, that's really strong. That's a strong vacuum cleaner. I like it. And yeah, I mean, it's very strong. It's one of the strongest handheld I ever tested and I ever seen in my life. It's definitely worth the money because it's not, even though it's made out of plastic, it's not cheap plastic. It's got a nice weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. What I really like is the quick empty container, the dust container. You just have to do this and then it's back up. How simple is that? That's quite clever. Charging, again, you'll put it like this. After you install that base over there, you'll put it like this and you'll stay like that on charge. They say it charges in 4 hours, 4.5 hours, fully 0 to 100. So yeah, I don't know if you can notice the difference on the speeds, but let's see if you can. So first speed, that's first speed, that's second speed, yeah, those are just stains. You won't. My room is clean. I have nothing to clean, but oh, maybe this bit over here, I don't know if you can see it. There's a bit of yeah, but that's stuck. There's a bit of tobacco, I think, or like dry leaf. Yeah, got it straight away, even on the lowest speed. So yeah, their claims are accurate. What they could have improved is maybe give us a hose so we can attach this bit to a hose so we can get into those hard to reach places. But apart from that, it's a really great device. Good quality, good build. I will definitely recommend this if you are looking for a premium handheld vacuum cleaner which you can use in the kitchen, the car, the living room, really quick without having to use the big hoover that you already have. This is the one for you. Very powerful, easy to clean, easy to charge, looks amazing, really lightweight. Again, I'll put the link into the description below. If you guys want to buy it right now, you can get it for 50% discount. You can pay 100 rather than paying 200 for it, so it's a really good time to buy it. And until then, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.